sponges for the wheels and the tires. They look at it as an escape. They forget that they're in detention. They're out there doing something that for them they took for granted. You know, they like being out there, listening to music, talking with other youth, and just kind of an escape for them.
Well, I was at the right place at the right time. I was at Fleet having my car serviced, and they were having conversation amongst themselves. They were struggling with finding somebody that would come in and provide detailing services. I thought to myself, gosh, you know, I have a population of kids here who I think would really benefit to be able to come out of their pods and go outside and wash vehicles.
It represents something different and unique that the kids can do and might even teach them some skills. You would think of washing a car as fairly rudimentary, but that's probably not the most important skill. The most important skills they're learning are attention to detail, follow through, commitment to task, and this work helps provide that for them.
So how do you guys think about cleaning cars?
It was good.
Yeah. All right. Mine was on my dad.
When we look at the reasoning why kids are here, they do everything adults do. You know, whoever's out there modeling for them, role modeling, whether it's positive or negative. So it can range from drug use, coming from broken homes, assaults. A lot of times we try not to try to get too much of why they're here, and just try to focus on the trauma and the reason why we need to stabilize that youth.
They help you with life.
So you're having a bad day, they go and talk to you, like one-on-one.
I feel like I'm grateful to have them because, you know, that's a big part of life that I never had somebody to be by my side and guide me and, you know, always take things off of my mind. I was always by myself, always felt like nobody cared about me. But now that I'm here, I feel more comfortable. They're just good to be around, and it's, you know, helps a lot, and I appreciate them for that.
Being here, it kind of helped me know that, like, seeing, like, that I don't want to live like this anymore. It kind of teaches you that you can't go back on what you did. You just got to learn from it because it's just one part of your life. That's what a lot of the staff have told me. It's just a little bump in the road. And if you need help, the staff will talk to you about, like, your problems.
We provide services in here.
I go to school and I learn stuff that I never thought I would learn in the detention facility. I get to work at my own pace. In regular school, you can't really do that. You work with the whole class. If you fail, you fail. They don't try to help you out. But in here, you can work at your own pace. You work at whatever level you're comfortable at. And I learned how to read. I learned how to write, and do math.
It gives me a lot of satisfaction because, like I said, I come from corrections, a long line. And what I used to do working with adults compared to here, working with adults, yes, they did some serious things. They're in there for decades at a time or life. Here, these kids have a chance.
I'm 17.
I'm 16.
12.
14.
When they're out there, they're laughing. They're being kids, because that's what they are, they're kids. And when they come back in, you know, the environment, it changes for them. They know that they're back within the walls, and so within their understanding, their attitudes change. So their guard goes back up.
Honestly, I don't really have a dream. I'm not really there yet. I don't really believe that there's gonna be any success for me at this point. But I still try to have a little bit of hope.